Okay, let me go ahead and try the next one. It actually worked. Alright guys, it's Saturday morning. About to go ahead and get some breakfast. It feels pretty good outside. Not to mention, it was pretty hot outside yesterday. The temperature went up to 84 degrees, which was pretty hot. And summer's just around the corner. Hey, I remember this show. It's American Ninja Warrior. Yo guys, I gotta show you something. I saw this video on TikTok where it shows you the easiest way to close a cereal box. I have this vanilla ice cream cereal right here, and the one I just had this morning, Cookie Crisp. Let's go ahead and try this hack. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and close these two flaps in and go ahead and start to fold the sides, just like that. Now closing this in, there you go. And then closing the last flap. Looks like I got it. I mean, this won't close in, but look at this. Okay, let me go ahead and try the next one. It actually worked. Hey guys, let me show you something. Do you notice a difference with these cereal boxes?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, what's the difference?
They look like paper bags.
Yeah, what do you think, Joshua?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, did you use some life hack or something?
Yeah, it actually is a life hack. It's an easier way to close a cereal box. What do you guys think of it?
I think I might use it if I know how to do that.
Okay. In the last vlog, I tried taking the perfect photo on the stool. Look at this. And it actually looks nice. Gonna go ahead and post this. And posting this. Just doing some classic bottle flipping. Nice. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right there. I hope you enjoyed. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Make sure you turn on those post notifications too. But yeah guys, that's the end and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.